Okay, so I'm just getting quickly packed the drone up. You know what we should do, you guys? We should what did I say? All right, let's start over. All right, just packing up the drone from another cool shoot. And hey, you know what, guys? We should hashtag tat time. What time is it?
It's tat time.
Tat time.
That was horrible.
6 a.m. Just woke up. Steve's over here. I don't think he knows quite what day it is. Well, what you doing in your cage there, Steve?
Staying away from the fire ants that seem to be all over me. I'm scared to get out.
How'd you sleep?
I slept good.
Me too. Uh-oh. Oh, look what's happening over here.
I'm on the move. I'm going out. I'm a man on a mission with no missions and I'm looking for love.
How long have you been up?
Right now?
Right now.
It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good.
It was nice. I had the fan on for me for a little bit, and then I turned it off. You look like death warmed over, buddy. 12 hours of riding yesterday. We're all pretty beat, but we're gonna get us a nice warm shower this morning because everybody else is still out, and then we're gonna go ride to Oklahoma. Woohoo! Here we go. I just want to go on record and say I love my darn tough socks. They really are awesome. I'm not kidding. They're made with merino wool and they don't stink. I can wear them a couple days if I have to, but they're so comfortable. I love them. Steve, tell me your lineage of motorcycles now.
Well, I started off, it kind of started off with my parents saying we would never have motorcycles. So one night when I was like 13, Dad comes rolling up into the house on a little Honda 70 Passport. You know, the little step-through ones. That was Mom's grocery getter. That was the first bike, and I spent my life working on that thing, trying to tweak every ounce of power out of it. Of course, you always had to cut off about 3 inches of the back fender so that when you're doing wheelies, it wouldn't drag.
Hey, what's that sign, Steve?
Hey, Chris, there's your sign.
Woo! My happy place!
That's old school right there now.
Wow, that's a cool bridge. I'll tell you what, I've been really impressed with these TKC 80s as far as grip on the corners.
Let me tell you something. They have given me enough grip to give me confidence, so I'm not disappointed at all in the choice.
I'm impressed. They're gonna wear faster than other tires, but if that's the price of sure-footedness, it is what it is.
I'm in.
When I came to the United States to go to college, you know, a young and impressionable age, all you want to do at that age is fit in, right?
Right.
So I didn't tell people, I didn't talk to people, I didn't volunteer that information that I was, you know, that I grew up in Africa. Well, you know, your comment earlier about how Kim said
You never met a stranger, and everybody says the same thing about me. Ironically, my African name when I was a kid, you know, missionary in the Congo, my African name that they gave me was Kimpangi. And Kimpangi means friend to everyone. You know, when I went to high school in the United States for my 8th grade year, I was picked on a little bit. When I came back after 4 more years in the Congo, I came back for college, and I'm like, you know, I'm just not going to volunteer that information. I want to fit in. I want to be part of the in crowd, you know. So I sort of repressed some of those things that really are part of who I am. And after we moved to South Carolina, and I started to think, you know, it's just part of my development. You know, I need to own up to it. I need to be proud of it. And whenever I'm talking to anybody and they say, "Where are you from?" You know, I'll be like, "Well, we moved here from Ohio, but I'm from the Congo." So all of my friends were black African kids. You know, I was the white guy. Literally, we have pictures of the entire soccer team, and I'm the white guy. At the same time, whenever I would go to school in America, I would never really fit in because I had that African culture in my blood, you know. So they call that a third culture kid, where you're kind of in limbo. And so you have to sort of deal with that as a child and come to grips with that and figure out a way to become a chameleon and fit in with whatever culture you're living in. I feel like I have a unique perspective on life because of all the traveling and living in different places that we did. So when you grow up in a third culture like that and you move around a lot, you develop that acceptance. Hey, you have a different religion than me, that's okay. You know, I have a different background than you, I'm okay. You know, so that elasticity of being able to appreciate others' backgrounds and accept them for who they are and not try to impose your beliefs and your thoughts on their lifestyle, I think that's something that is sorely missing in America right now.
No, I don't know what I'm going to say about it. I mean, I can do it, but it's okay. Hey, Jason, Moto Photo Adventures, nonchalant product review. I have it right underneath the seat. It's called a Stop and Go Tubeless Puncture Pilot. I got it on Amazon, I think. Anyway, so it works. It comes with, you know, the cigarette lighter thing. I haven't used the tire puncture, so I can't tell you if it works. I'll tell you if it's good. I'll tell you, you know, if I ever have to use it. But I have used the pump to check tire pressure. It told me 35. It's supposed to be at 35, and one of them said 35, and the other one said 30, and it pumped it to 35. So thumbs up for that. It comes with, you know, the adapters for the, you know, outlets and whatnot. But I got it on Amazon. I don't remember how much it was, but it couldn't have been much, or else I wouldn't have bought it. I put a link there, but by the time I'm reviewing this, it's been several months since I purchased it, and the prices have probably changed, and the coronavirus has probably got us, and it's probably the separate states of America now, and it's all just so sad. Stop and Go pump. It works so far.
Yay, we made it to Oklahoma! Woo! Hey, Jason.
Yes, sir.
I think this is the place to eat.
I think you are right.
This looks cool. Jason.
Yes, sir.
I heard we did a thing.
We did a thing.
What did we do?
Okay, LA, May, Oklahoma.
We made it to Oklahoma! Yay! Sweet. Steve, how does it feel to be in Oklahoma?
Man, okay.
And I see what you did there. Hey, we're gonna grab us a bite to eat at the 4-Star Diner.
Where you guys from? South Carolina.
Morning. Doing good. What you think of this place? 4-Star. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm Chris. This is place to eat. We came all the way from South Carolina to be here.
It's an awesome place to eat.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have here two fine American men, hardworking, honest, upstanding citizens that I am proud to call my friends and fellow tat riders. We are nearing the end of stage two of the TransAmerica Trail, and we're here in Oklahoma. What do you guys think? How'd stage two go?
Stage 2 is awesome. Tennessee rocks. I'll tell you what, Tennessee is beautiful.
Arkansas, I thought was really cool.
Arkansas
The
was,
topography was very varied.
the last of Arkansas was tough,
Yes.
as you have seen.
My favorite was the water crossing.
Tennessee.
Only because you do them so well.
I have to say, I think my favorite of the whole second stage was meeting Percy.
That was cool. Percy and Simon, yeah.
We all agree we could have sat there for about 2 hours talking to him.
Oh, sure.
He had a story for every story and then a story on top of that.
Yeah, we used to go back every year when I was young, and they had a camp meeting out there, out in the country. Had preaching, and folks stayed out there for a week.
So we finally made it to Oklahoma. We are here, and we're gonna turn around and head back and meet up with Steve's wife and jump our bikes on the trailer, and from there just hightail it back to South Carolina. This is the point that we will be returning to for stage 3, so stay tuned. Lots more fun stuff to come, and
Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.
absolutely like, subscribe,
Comment,
share,
Hit the bell.
comment below, tell us what we can do different, what we can do better, and we will see you guys soon.